Have old, broken crayons? Give them a new life by baking them into colorful shapes. Here's what you'll need for this project: a silicone baking mold, old crayons, your oven and oven mitts, and a baking sheet. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep your crayons. Remove any remaining wrappers from your crayons. Once the wrappers are removed, you may need to break the larger crayons into smaller pieces. Step 2. Fill the mold. Fill each spot in the mold with the broken crayon pieces. Mix and match colors to your liking. Step 3. Get ready to bake. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Once your oven is ready, place your mold on a baking sheet. Don't forget to use oven mitts or ask an adult to help you. Carefully place the baking sheet in the oven. Set a timer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check to see if your crayons have melted. If they have, take the mold out of the oven. Wait until the crayons have hardened in the mold, then pop them out. You can use different molds to make different shapes. Enjoy your new crayons!